$6 for this? We can do better than that. Let's make a Starbucks spicy pink lemonade. All right, first thing we're gonna need, obviously, is some lemonade. If we're making lemonade, we're gonna need some lemons. No one likes a lemon seed, so let's grab that, squeeze it right into something that can catch it. And if you have any cuts on your fingers, this is the time where you're gonna find out because it's already burning. They say lemon peels are really good to put in your garbage disposal. It kind of cleans things out with all the acidity and smells better, but we don't have a garbage disposal up here, so into the garbage it goes. Now, it can't be lemonade without a lot of sugar. You can find the full written recipe for all this at crowfood.com on our website. So check that out. We have a lot of other great recipes. I'll go ahead and give this a good stir. Try to start dissolving that sugar a little bit. Now you're gonna need some strawberries. Now you can cut the tops off of them. And I just want to cut them up into some real thin pieces. All right. Plop that in there. Now this is a spicy lemonade, so let's spice it up. With Crow Fajita Rub, Starbucks uses a chili pepper mix or chili powder blend of some sort. You can't find out the details about what's in it. This has everything you need, so we're gonna add a teaspoon or two to that. And it's gonna give it a real smoky flavor, but it's also gonna add that heat you want. And it's not gonna be overly spicy. This has all the sugars in it from the strawberries and the sugar we add, so I'm not worried about that one bit. Now I'm gonna add some more water here, but go ahead and give it a good stir now that we've added that the Crow Fajita Rub and we've added our sugar. That's gonna help it dissolve a little bit more before we add this water and finish the lemonade portion of this drink. So once this is good and dissolved and we got it where we want it, next thing we're gonna add some grenadine. It's not gonna add a ton, but it's gonna give it a really nice color. If you look at the Starbucks drink, it's got that pretty red color you want. So I'm just gonna add a splash or two until it gets to, looks about right. Right there. I'll be quite honest with you. I thought that this volume of liquid was gonna fill this up a little bit more than it has. So you might wanna do your measurements a little bit better than I did because this looks kind of sorry if I'm being honest with you. It's only halfway full. I actually may have a smaller container. Let me take a look here. No, I guess not. This will do. This is perfectly sized container, and we're ready to start taste testing now. All right, let's give it a nice little garnish. There you have it. That's fantastic. In all seriousness, this is very good. I think it puts that Starbucks drink to shame. It's got to be cheaper than the $6 for this much of it. I tried to get a bigger container, but I think with the right measurements that you can find on crowfood.com, you can fill your container up perfectly for whatever size container it is. And as always, leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see us cook next. Cheers.